Hey everybody, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video we want to go over the Buzzaround LX four-wheel mobility scooter. Now what separates this scooter from other scooters in the industry is that it is portable, so it breaks down into more manageable pieces. Now the heaviest piece is 57 pounds, so you have to keep that in mind. However, this scooter can support 375 pounds of weight. So it has a high weight capacity. It has a great battery range, which is 18 miles on a single charge, 5-mile-per-hour top speed. And it's all around great scooter. It also has a front and rear suspension, which are excellent. So we're gonna get into more about the Buzzaround LX and show you some of the new features that they've added to this model. So I'll start here on the back, and you'll notice when I started the video, I was sitting to the side, and that's because it has the ability to swivel. If you press this lever up, I can swivel to the side, to the back. It's for easy entry or exit out of the seat. Also has a really nice suspension here on the back, and that's really one of the things that separates the scooter. Here's your universal accessory hitch that is on the back. There's different things you can add to this. A lot of people like to add the rear basket. You can add an oxygen tank holder. Just go to our product page to see what's available. You'll also notice that there's two knobs here. This is how you adjust the width between the armrests to give you more of a seating area. And once you get that width that you desire, you can just tighten them. This is also your freewheel lever, so this is common on pretty much every mobility scooter. Right now it's pulled back into the drive position, which engages the electromagnetic brakes. So when you let off the throttle, the brakes will automatically engage when this is pressed back. If you wanted to put it in neutral or put it into freewheel mode, you press it forward. I'm gonna turn the scooter off for now, but this is really just in case you ever run out of battery life, you just push it forward, and now you can push the scooter manually. If I turn the key on, it's gonna beep, and you're not gonna use it because it's in neutral. You're not gonna be able to use it. So if you wanna use the scooter, you have to press it back into the drive position, and now the braking system is engaged and you can operate the scooter. So I just turned on the headlight. You can see this lit up. So this is your tail light. This is also the lever you use to disassemble the scooter, and I'll show you how to do that here in just a moment. Little storage. One thing I forgot to mention, there is a little storage pouch here in the back. Not much. A lot of people don't even use this, but you do have this as well. And that's in addition to the front basket, which comes standard. So with the seat, this is an upgraded seat design. It is like a deluxe stadium style seat. Has a lot of padding. It has nice stitching on it. It wasn't like this before. The cushioning is very thick. It's about 3-4 inches of thickness, so it's very comfortable. As far as the width, it's about 19 inches in width. And the seat depth, we're looking at about 18. Now remember, you can adjust the width between the armrests, so if this isn't wide enough for you, you can essentially create more of a seating area by extending the armrests out. They do extend about probably 4 inches out on each side. Also the armrests, they have a little bit of padding, so they're not hard armrests, but you can see there's some padding on here. They also flip up, which is another thing that allows for easy transfers in and out of the seat. Now, as far as the floorboard, we got the width of the floorboard. We're at 18 inches. And from the floorboard to the top of the seat is adjustable about 2 inches in height. But right now at the standard positioning, we're at about 18 inches from floorboard to top of the seat. Now I'll show you the tiller here. It's a simplistic tiller. So Golden doesn't invest a lot into like the design of the tiller, and really it's not necessary. It has everything that you need. This is a Delta tiller. This crossbar that's closest to us. This is what a lot of people would use for if they had limited mobility in their hands. They just rest their wrist on this bar and use their fingers to accelerate. Now you'll notice there's a throttle on each side. It's an ambidextrous throttle, so I can accelerate forward or backwards with just one hand. So if you didn't have use of one of your hands, it's no problem. You can still use the scooter. And you can see I can do it with my left hand, go forward or backwards with just one hand. This is your battery gauge. Here's your speed control. Turn it all the way to the right towards the rabbit. That's when you get that top speed of 5 miles per hour. Here's where you put your key in. I believe you get a second one. So you get 2 sets of keys. You have a horn. This is a new feature on the LX. You can adjust, a lot of times you adjust the tiller down here at the knob. They've changed that and you just have a lever right here. So I can adjust the tiller up here. No longer do you have to bend down. Also up high on the tiller, that's where you charge the batteries. You can charge it there, you can charge it, also you can charge the batteries off the unit as well. This is a USB charging port. I believe this is a new feature on the scooter as well. And then here's where you turn on the lighting package. So you have the headlight here, and then this is just a running light. So this just helps with visibility in the evening so you can be seen. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're going to verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email, so then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So just wanted to share that with you. Also, the suspension, that's one of the things that people like. So we got a great, the front suspension is good, but I think what really sets it apart is the rear suspension. So let me turn this around, I'll show you. So you can see how this has some give and it bounces. There are thicker coils on the back, and this is really where what you're really gonna, the rear suspension is what really helps with bumps. Now, one thing I'll show you too, I am a tall rider. So I'm 6'4", I weigh 235. Obviously I'm under the weight capacity. This is what I look like in the scooter. Now, if I ride this, I may put my feet up here, but if I do that, you can see my knees touch this. Now, this is not a telescoping tiller. It's not gonna go up in height. I can keep them down here. This is fine for me, but some people, you know, especially if you're tall, it may not be the right scooter for you if you're a tall rider. I would say if you're 6 foot, 6'1", or shorter, this would be probably a good scooter for you. Me personally, this doesn't bother me, but I can see how some people, they don't like the angle of their leg being like that. They want more of a 90-degree angle. Now, I mentioned that you can disassemble it, so I'm going to show you how to do that.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website, just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we've received that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
So the first step I'm going to do is remove the key, take that out. After that, we're going to fold the seat back down, and that same lever I used to swivel the seat, I'm going to pull that up and then just lift the seat right out of the seat post. After that, we're going to take the basket off. You can just pop it up from the, or pop it from the bottom, just like that, comes right off. Now, the battery pack, a lot of times on these portable mobility scooters, the battery pack is actually 2 batteries inside of this, and it's one handle. You lift them out at the same time. Now on the Buzzaround LX, there's one battery in each of these battery packs. So you can pull each one out. And if you notice on the back, there's 2 ports here. So there's 2 things you can do if you want to charge it off board. You can buy an accessory, which is it's a wire, it's like a pigtail wire where they'll plug into here and then they connect together. And then you plug that piece into the charger. So you can charge it using that, or you can also get a portable docking station, which is a platform, and you set both of these on the platform and then it'll charge off of the scooter. So you can leave the scooter in your garage, bring both of the batteries in. Once they're charged using one of those 2 options, you can bring them back out to your scooter. Now, while I have the batteries removed, I'll show you this on the underneath of them. There are some diagnostic flash and beep code troubleshooting guides. So it has possible flashes on the tiller. Like if you see like 7 flashes as an example, it's going to tell you what is wrong. So this is a great troubleshooting guide that Golden has implemented on a lot of the mobility scooters that they have. So I just wanted to point that out to you. The next step in disassembling, I'm going to use that same lever that's located up high to adjust the tiller. I'm going to adjust it all the way down to about right here where it's almost level with the floorboard. So you'll see another knob here. If I twist this and make sure that the knob is horizontal, now you can't swivel or turn the wheels. So if you don't do that, this could potentially move around in your car. So it's important to lock that into place. And then lastly, this lever that is your rear tail light, if you lift this up and then right here on the handle and the rear wheel assembly, just push it away and that'll detach it. So this is the rear wheel assembly. Here's the front half portion of the scooter. This is what weighs 57 pounds. So now we have it completely disassembled. I'll reassemble it real quick and show you. So now I'm going to line this up. There we go. Now it's snapped into place. After that, I'm going to make sure I unlock this. You want to make sure that this is in a horizontal position, and then use that lever to adjust the tiller back up. We'll drop the 2 batteries back in. There are some metal teeth here that line up here. That's your connection. So you just simply drop it in there. As long as you have this piece lined up, it's going to be fine. It's going to drop right in. So now the batteries are connected. On the bottom of the seat, we have a peg. Just line it up with the seat post. Swivel it back around, and put the basket on. That's how you reassemble it. So pretty simple. This scooter is one of the few portable mobility scooters on the market that can support a really high weight capacity. So it's very desirable for a lot of people. It's also made by Golden Technologies. They're one of the premier brands in the powered mobility industry. They have excellent warranty. They also have really good support. The warranty also includes a 1-year labor contract. So if anything goes wrong with this scooter in the first year of owning it, they will try to troubleshoot whatever that issue is with you over the phone. Can't be resolved that way, a technician will be sent to your home to fix that issue for the first year, so you have that peace of mind. If you have any questions about the Buzzaround LX 4-wheel, give us a call. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. You can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Hope this video was helpful. You guys have a great day.